welcome to Day Tripper. So thanks for everyone who voted on what type of videos you prefer on the channel. So tonight I'm doing a stealth camp on a railway siding, which is also near a busy road. So I'm just going to find my place. Haven't got much time, it's almost sunset already, and then I'm going to put my hammock in the bushes and enjoy a night out under the stars. It's going to be a clear night, so it's going to be a cold one, and I'm going to be testing out my autumn and winter kit. Probably just going to sleep out in the open in the hammock. I probably won't bother with the tarp. I'm just going to find a place and I'll show you where I set up. I haven't got much time. Before you know it, it will be totally dark. The sun has disappeared already. These amazing bushes, bright red or purple. I think this is it. I've got some nice silver birch trees. Got a couple here I can easily put up the hammock between. Might need to see what I can do about some of these low branches. I think I can find somewhere here. There are some people about, so I've got to be a little bit quiet. You always get the last of the dog walkers as the train goes by. I think tucked away in here will be fine. I always try and go to a slightly different place from stealth camping, keeps it fresh. I'm pretty sure no one comes through here at night. There is security down there on the other side of the railway track, but they don't come down this side. And even if they did, they wouldn't be able to see me in here once it goes dark. I think this is where I'm going to have my nanny state. So nice to be out again. It's been a couple of weeks since I did a stealth camp. The last stealth camp was on Blackheath Common, on the 23-mile walk to the office. It wasn't the quietest night I've had stealth camping. I think here you've got the noise of the busy road, the odd train, but apart from that, it should be lovely here. Very dark now, so I'm not sure what you can see. We've got the hammock up here. I'll show you from this side. You might be able to see that. So it's 6:30 now and it's dark. Not much time now, is there, to do these in the evening. You have to be really quick to find your spot. So this is a view from the hammock. You can see the sunset, beautiful red sunset, clear sky over that side as well. And I'm just nestling in the bushes here. I love it in the trees, sound of the trees. The sound of the odd train going by, but after midnight they'll stop until 6 in the morning, so I should get a few hours. A nice quiet night in the hammock. Just what I needed tonight. Got my things ready. So what have I got? Something very basic. Potato and beans. And I've got mixed beans and sweet corn. So I've got a lot of beans, so it's a good job I'm sleeping outside tonight. To use what you can when you're on the slope. Try and keep this safe. That's a good thing about the Trangia. It does protect the flame. Just going to boil it up in that. It's dinner time, it's ready. Potato and beans. Tastes like school dinners, but it's quite nice. So this one's the mixed bean and sweet corn. It's not a huge one, 120 grams. Would have been nicer sticky toffee pudding, I think, but anyway, I'll try this one. Let's see. It's not bad. At least it's warm. I'm in the hammock. It's nice and warm. It's a good test for my winter gear. I've got my Rab Ascent 700 sleeping bag. So I'm looking forward to trying this tonight. I'm just trying to get comfortable. It's going to go down to at least 6 degrees tonight, so it's going to be a chilly one. But so far so good. It's a full moon, so it's really light. So just relaxing really, enjoying this stealth camp. Totally peaceful. It's different filming in the autumn and in the winter because it's dark. So it's difficult to actually show you too much. So I'm going to just listen to my audio book now, do a bit of reading, maybe on my phone, and then turn out the light and get an early night and hopefully sleep through until the morning. So I will see you then. Good morning, it is now 7:30. I've been in the hammock, how many hours is that? Since 9 o'clock. It's a long time, isn't it? It's like, I think it's 10.5 hours I've been in the hammock. And I slept reasonably well. I did get a few hours sleep in all that time, thankfully. Just show you how I set up. It's one Tragus under quilt, which is a camo under quilt. The hammock, which is a compound hammock. And inside it's got this extra layer that goes on top, which I did up last night because it was really cold. It got down to I think 5 degrees. And then in here I've got my Ascent Rab Ascent sleeping bag, which is a down quilt, which I just bought. So it's a first real test of this Rab Ascent down quilt. And I have to say, it was warm in there, even at that temperature, and it would go below that temperature. And I got my pillow in there as well. But I would say this underquilt here, this camo underquilt, it's only a free season. You can see it's very light. So what I did was I put in underneath, I put in this additional quilt here, which is a one Tigris down quilt underneath the other quilt. So I had that underneath as well because I knew it would be too cold. So but it was still, I'd have to say, you still need something additional underneath your very underside, because you still do feel a bit of a chill coming through occasionally underneath, even though this sleeping bag, you know, lofts up huge. And you're totally warm on the top layer, and you're totally warm on your body, but underneath on your underside it's a little bit of a chill because the wind comes through here, and you know, it's like sitting on a chair in the garden, you know, on a cold day. You know, your backside gets cold basically. So not putting too fine a point on it. So basically you need something else. So I do need to get some other type of, I think I need to get the winter underquilt on this sleeping bag to be fully prepared for winter. But as you can see right now, and you can see behind me all these trees, it's autumn now, so it's still okay, just about okay with what I have, but I will be getting a winter underquilt for more stealth camps. It's been a lovely night out, to be honest. Really enjoyed just being out. Again, broken up the week, and yeah, I got some good rest, so I'm looking forward to a good day now. I'm working today, so got to get back home soon, get ready for work. Thanks for watching this one. I really enjoyed this. Thanks for joining. It's been fun to camp in this new location. I'm looking forward to doing some more camps over the winter. I might have to modify my kit slightly. If you like this video, please press the like button, and please comment and subscribe if you haven't. I try and do an adventure every week, and it'd be great to have you on board as a day tripper. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.